Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So this is the another video regarding pseudocode. The pseudocode is very much important for reading the algorithm in the computer science and information technology. So in today's video I will be discuss pseudocode. As you know that although several tools are used to define algorithms, one of the most common is pseudocode. Pseudocode is an English-like representation of the algorithm logic. It is a part English, part structured code. The English part provides a relaxed syntax that describes what must be done without showing necessary details such as error message. The code part consists of the extended version of the basic algorithm construct, that is sequences, selections and iteration part. So what is pseudocode? In one word, the pseudocode is one of the most common tool for defining algorithms which part English and part is structured code. In this text, we use pseudocode to represent both data structure and code. The data items do not need to be declared. The first item we use are data name in algorithm. It is automatically declared. Its type is determined by the context. The following statement declared a numeric data item name, count and set its value to 0. So set count to 0, that means a numeric data named count and it is set to value, the count value set to 0. The structure of the data on the other hand must be declared. Here we use a simple syntactical statement that begins with the structure name and concludes with the keyword end and the name of the structure. Within the structure, we listed the structural element by indenting the data items as shown below. Here the node, inside the node there are two elements, data and link, and there is the end with the end node. Node is the name of the structure and this conclude with the end node. This data definition describes a node in a self-referential list that consists of a nested structure, that is data, and a pointer to the next node, that is basically a link. An elements type is implemented by its name and uses in the algorithm. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.